again. It's a rich.
So we're going to start the lacing style by taking the lace down through the outside first hole. Bring it up a little way into the shoe and then take your lace across the front and down through the opposite first hole. Again, bring it a little way in, and then we're going to make sure the laces are the same length on both sides by pulling up, and then you're ready to start. So I'm just going to loosen off that bar a little bit, and we're going to start with the outside lace coming across the shoe to the inside second hole. When you bring the lace over, just catch it on your finger and it will make sure that it doesn't get too tight, and it will give you a little loop sitting above the hole. Then take the inside lace, bring it across to the outside second hole. Again, loop it on your finger, and then before you move any further up the shoe, just check your loops are the same. And then that will set the pattern for the rest of the lacing style. So we're going to take the outside lace across the shoe to the inside third hole. Just flatten out your laces as you go to make sure that they're not going to twist as they come across the shoe. Then take your inside lace across the shoe to the outside third hole. Keep that lace in your hand, take it across to the inside fourth hole. Then take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. Keep that lace in your hand, take it across to the inside fifth hole. And take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fifth hole. Then take that lace across to the inside sixth hole. And take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside sixth hole. Then keep that lace in your hand, and you're going to take it out through the last side hole. And then you're going to take the inside lace across, and you're going to go out through the last hole on the inside of the shoe. Just make sure that your two laces hanging out are the same as each other. And then if I bring the tongue up, you can see you've got your loosely laced New Balance 574. It's a good idea as well just to pull your laces out, just to make sure that they're all the same as they work their way up the shoe. And there you have your New Balance 574 loosely laced.